Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Today we will be talking about my hobby, and my hobby is basically taking pictures of wasps and insects like spiders and arachnids. I will be showing you some pictures and videos of the insects that I'm taking pictures of, and there's ants eating my feet right now, so let me just quickly get them off. Okay, so now I am out of the ant nest and they're not eating me anymore, but I'll be showing you some pictures and videos of me holding wasps and maybe spiders as well and arachnids, but mostly wasps. And you might be wondering, how do I take these pictures? I will show you in next week's video. If you are interested, then you can watch next week's video, then I'll show you how to take these pictures of wasps. Slight disclaimer, if you are gonna take these pictures, there is a chance of getting stung or bit by a spider or something, so do it at your own risk. Don't do it because I'm telling you to. I'm not telling you to. Do it at your own risk if you want to take pictures like this, but I will be showing you how I do it in next week's video. And this week's video I'll just be showing you some of the pictures I've taken before, and I've taken literally thousands of pictures of wasps and arachnids, and not all of them, at least say 500 of them, are not even worth looking at. So I'm only going to be showing you some of the better ones. There are better ones than this. I've taken beautiful pictures of wasps and arachnids before, but they're on a flash drive, and on that flash drive is thousands of other photos and videos, so it's going to be a nightmare getting them off. And ants are eating me once again. Okay, now the ants are off of my feet. I don't know why they're eating me the whole time, but basically I'm going to be showing you how I take these pictures in next week's video. And in this week's video I'm just going to be showing you some of the pictures I've taken before. These aren't my best pictures, there are way better ones than these, but these are just those that I quickly got off the USB drive, because my phone can't handle it if I put thousands and thousands of photos on it. So I'll just be showing you some of them that I got off. Okay, so I'm just quickly gonna be showing you some of the pictures I've taken. I've put them together in this short video, and I'm also gonna be attaching a video that I've taken of a wasp walking on my hand. And no, I have never been stung while doing this, while taking pictures or videos or photos or anything like that of wasps. I've never even been stung once while I was catching them or taking photos or videos of them. So if you are careful, you can do it too. And I've been doing this for about three and a half years now, and in 3.5 years I've never been stung once, and I've handled literally hundreds of wasps and arachnids that have not bit or stung me once. So if you are careful, you won't get stung or bit by some spiders or anything, but still do it at your own risk, because you might get bit or you might get stung. Okay, so let me show you the video that I made of the photos and the other video that I free handle a wasp. And yes, I do handle them with my hands without any gloves or anything, and not just with a net. You don't have to free handle them. These cars are honking in the background and the dogs are barking, so just excuse that, guys. And now I'm laying down on the grass because I don't know what other backgrounds to use for this video, but I'm gonna be showing you now the pictures and a video that I've taken of wasps. And yes, I do free handle them, as I was saying, but you don't have to free handle them, and I have never been bitten or stung once while free handling any spiders or arachnids or any wasps or nothing. So you can do it too, but do it at your own risk. You might get bit or stung or something like that, but still it's a good hobby if you like taking beautiful photos and you like wildlife. You can take pictures of any wildlife really, but I just chose wasps because they're literally everywhere and really easy to catch, but they're not so easy to get still for a picture. Like, I've had instances where I had the perfect picture where I was about to take the picture and then the wasp flew away. Then I had to catch it again and position it again. And I take thousands of photos of one wasp, just one wasp. I take over 1,000 photos. Then one of those photos has got to be perfect, like wonderful, perfect. And that is basically how I do it. I put the wasp on a flower or something. I hold it with, I usually use a spoon for this part because they will sting you if you do this with your hand. I press down on it so that it gets settled on the leaf or flower. Then I release the spoon slowly and take pictures, and it will walk and fly, but I just take a lot of pictures. One should be perfect. And here I'm back where I started, where the ants ate me and they're eating me again. But let me show you the pictures that I made a video of. I'm just gonna show you the photos I've taken. This is just some of them. This isn't perfect or anything, but I still think that some of them look pretty cool. And next week I'll show you exactly how you can take photos like this. Some of them are really easy, some of them took me like literally 5 minutes to get, and some of them took me hours and hours of sitting there with that wasp, moving it with my fingers and a spoon, getting it in the perfect position for the photo. But I overall got the photo, and I'm quite happy with some of these photos. Not all of them are perfect, but some of them are, in my opinion, beautiful. And the one where the black wasp with a brown leg sat on a pink flower, that one took me the longest of all of these. That one took me like 5 or 6 hours to get. That took very long, but I got the photo and it looks beautiful. And the ants are eating me again, so let me show you the photos in 3, 2, 1. You can see I'm standing in the ants again, and they bit me last time again. So you saw the photos now, and in my opinion those are some pretty good photos. It looks, if you see those photos on Google, I always wondered how on earth did I get those photos so perfect, like those beautiful pictures of wasps on Google. Now I know how to do it. I didn't Google it or to do it or anything. I just taught myself as a hobby, and now I love it. I've been doing it longer than I've been keeping reptiles. It's 3.5 years, almost 4 years. A bit longer than 3.5 years, but almost 4 years. That's long, and I've got some beautiful pictures. I didn't put them all in this video. Next week's video I'll show you some of my best, and maybe if I can find it, the best picture in my opinion that I've ever taken of any insect or wasp. And I'll show you that. And let me quickly show you a video of a wasp walking on my hand. Like, this is how I free handle them. And yes, it didn't sting me, but still, do it at your own risk. They'd never have stung me in almost 4 years of doing it now. So, but still, do it at your own risk. So let me quickly show you that video. Okay, so you just saw that video of me free handling that wasp. I know a lot of you are probably wondering, why did it not sting me? The trick is, if you want to free handle any insect, really, don't take it like this, then it's gonna sting you. Take it like this, let it walk onto your hand, chase it onto your hand, then it will feel like it's on a branch or something, and it should not sting you. I say should not because it might still sting you. Do it at your own risk, like I said. If you don't want to do it like that, I'll show you how to catch them without any danger. And especially if you're allergic, don't try this at home. If you're allergic, you can try this, but do it at your own risk if you're not allergic to any wasps. So what I basically do, I'll show you in next week's video, because this video is already kind of long, not too long, but it's already late now, and anyways, and I need to put a video out today because it's Friday and I put videos out on Tuesdays and Fridays. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and next week I'll show you how I catch them without any danger of getting stung, without any free handling. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, share the video, and stick around for next week when you learn how to do this. If you want to learn how to do this, you don't have to do it yourself. You can show this to a friend if they maybe want to do it. So share this video, leave a like, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you next week.